Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into natural health and wellness. Today, we're uncovering the secrets to flushing bad cholesterol from your body naturally. No pills, no extreme diets, just pure, wholesome goodness that your body will thank you for. If you're ready to take control of your heart health, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First, let's talk about cholesterol. Cholesterol isn't all bad. Our bodies need it to build cells and produce hormones. But when we have too much LDL or bad cholesterol, it can lead to clogged arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. But don't worry. The good news is that you can naturally flush out this bad cholesterol by making some simple changes to your diet and lifestyle. Let's start with food. The key to flushing out bad cholesterol lies in incorporating more soluble fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants into your diet. Starting your day with a bowl of oats can do wonders. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which binds with cholesterol in your digestive system, preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Next up, avocados. These creamy delights are packed with monounsaturated fats that not only lower LDL cholesterol, but also boost your good HDL cholesterol. A handful of nuts, like almonds and walnuts, can provide the perfect balance of fiber and healthy fats to keep your heart happy. Don't forget your greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy vegetables contain compounds that help bind bile acids, reducing cholesterol absorption. And for dessert, berries. These little powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and help lower cholesterol. Now let's talk tea. Herbal teas aren't just soothing. They can also play a crucial role in flushing out bad cholesterol. Green tea is a superstar when it comes to heart health. It's packed with catechins that lower LDL cholesterol and protect your arteries from damage. Try hibiscus tea for a tart, refreshing drink that not only lowers blood pressure, but also helps reduce cholesterol levels. Rooibos tea is another fantastic option. Its powerful antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, which is a key factor in cholesterol buildup. Along with these dietary changes, it's important to get moving. Regular physical activity helps boost your good HDL cholesterol and keeps your blood vessels healthy. Even a 30-minute walk each day can make a big difference. And don't forget about stress management. High stress levels can lead to higher cholesterol, so take time to relax and unwind. Practices like yoga, meditation, or even just spending time in nature can help lower stress and keep your heart healthy. Flushing out bad cholesterol doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these foods, sipping on herbal teas, staying active, and managing stress, you can naturally support your heart health and reduce your risk of heart disease. Remember, small changes can lead to big results over time. So, cheers to your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching.